In this video, we'll walk you through how to send review invitations to your customers. Getting this process started is key to start seeing results, so you can focus on gaining more reviews and improving your online reputation. Let's dive in. To begin, click on the green Generate Reviews button in the top right corner. You'll see several options, and we'll go through them one by one. The first option is the New Customer tab, where you can manually send review invitations. Simply fill in the customer's name and contact information, choose the default campaign, and hit send. Next is the Existing Customer tab. You can send invitations to customers you've already added to the tool. Just select a customer from the drop-down menu, pick your campaign, hit send, and you're good to go. Before sending an invitation, you'll also have the option to preview the email to make sure everything looks right. Now let's go back. You can also review the sending sequence by clicking this View button here. This shows how many reminders you've set and when they will be sent. Moving on to the Customer List tab, you can upload a CSV file to send invitations to multiple customers at once. Select the file, choose your campaign, and start sending the invitations. If you prefer, you can use the webhook to add customers via API. To do this, you'll need help from your developers, and you can refer to our API documentation to get started. We also offer Zapier integration. This allows you to connect with third-party apps like CRMs or help desks, which lets you seamlessly import customers from those platforms. If interested, follow the steps provided to set this up. Now that we've covered the options, let's return to the New Customer tab and send our first invitation. Fill in the customer information, pick your campaign from the drop-down, and click Send. You'll see a green pop-up confirming that your invitation has been sent. Now let's take a look at what your customer will see when they receive the invitation. Once the customer receives the email, they'll see a personalized message asking for feedback. If they're happy with the service, they can click the thumbs up and be taken to a landing page where they choose where to leave a review. In this example, let's use Google, where they'll be directed straight to the review page for your business. From here, they can rate your business and share their experience. This makes it easy for customers to leave a review on their preferred platform. Going back to the invitation, if a customer is unhappy and clicks the thumbs down button or selects a low rating, a message will appear giving them the option to share their concerns with you. Reviewshake complies with review gating policies, so customers can still post public reviews if they choose. And on this landing page, let me show you that you can easily customize it by clicking this green Edit Layout button. With this, you can easily upload your logo, link it to your website, and add images or videos. Once you're happy with the design, click the checkmark to save. You can also showcase your reviews on the landing page by adding a review widget. We'll explore this option later on. To learn more about setting up campaigns, showcasing reviews, and maximizing your Reviewshake account, be sure to check out our other videos linked in the description.